Good morning. It's a rainy day. This is the little courtyard I didn't show last night because it was already dark. I'm underneath a little awning. We're heading down to see if there's anything at the breakfast that we can eat. But look how gorgeous this is. Austin's being nosy. It's beautiful. This hotel's really cute. A little bit hidden once you find it. It's nice. The little baby came up and meowed at us. What a cutie. So this is our choose your own adventure day for the most part. And we chose to lay in bed for a while because it's raining. It's kind of in a lull right now. We're going to walk over to a team store and get some Napoli merch and then attempt to go to the archaeology museum. So that's the plan for the day. We're at the team store now. This is like the kids and women's section. Just looking around. I don't know what I want yet. I definitely don't want rubber ducky swim trunks though. The store is so cool. There's so much in here. Yeah, I'm getting a magnet. I'm getting this magnet. And I'm getting a De Bruyne shirt. Austin's getting a hat. I'm gonna wear my shirt to the game. My jersey is being printed. And then we're gonna head back to the hotel and drop stuff up. Oh, the little doggy. He's so tiny. I'm so glad we came here. I had asked Austin to get me a De Bruyne jersey for Man City for like 2 years in a row, and he didn't. I asked for Christmas, and someone doesn't follow through on their Christmas. It would have been cheaper if we bought the Man City one. Probably. So now I have a Napoli one, even though they're like basically the same color.
I would say almost exactly the same.
No, Man City's lighter, I think.
A little bit, like a tiny bit.
But now I have one. Alright, goods acquired. We're leaving the team store, but the square that it's in, I just wanted to show, it's so cute. And it's raining. I also got the umbrella up. And there's this huge statue. Do we know what the statue is? I mean, it says B. Margarita on one side. It's so beautiful. It's so ornate.
Well, let's go descend
That's
a
where
mini
we're at. Beautiful. It's really gorgeous. So pretty.
It was built to celebrate getting rid of the plague.
Hey, fuck yeah. Fuck the plague. Even though I feel plagued at the moment. Because I am like fully allergic to Italy. My allergies, well, they're not that bad this morning since it's raining. So I'm getting a brief reprieve and I can actually breathe through my nose. I actually feel pretty good in the rain. But it has been rough. I've been so boogery. Basically all the streets are graffitied over like this, so everything looks artful. It's really cool. If my camera would focus. I could see though how this would be intimidating if you were raised very sheltered. These are apparently some old Greek walls. It is like coming down outside. I don't think the camera's gonna catch it. We're back at the same restaurant we went to last night because honestly the menu is humongous and everything sounds good. So we're trying two completely different things today. We're having lunch here. We were going to maybe go to the archaeology museum, which is right across the street. But apparently first Sunday of the month it's free and Knee Line is insane because of that. So thinking we're not going there. The rain is supposed to calm down at some point post lunch. So we will probably maybe either take naps or walk towards the water and kind of look at the water. There's a castle in the distance. I think you can visit it, but not on like Sundays. But we can just look at it. And there's other like destination spots down that way too. But if the rain kind of calms down, so I'm not trying to be out in a monsoon. And then we also have to go back and change shirts. I'm gonna put my new shirt on. So that's the plan, loosely. It's still raining. a ton. So Austin got dessert and an espresso, and I've ordered a Campari spritz. And we're gonna sit here a little longer to try and avoid some of the monsooning. My pasta was so good. It's so rare that I have something and I'm like, I have no idea how to even recreate that. I have no idea. It was delicious. So we have just been relaxing in the hotel room, which is maybe not a great use of our time in Naples, but it was much needed. It felt great to take a little mini nap. Here's the shirt I got. Here's the back. They put this little patch on the side, and then they put this on the back. Very exciting. About to get ready to head out to the game. Jersey is on. It warmed up a little, so I just put on a sweater. We are heading out. We're here, we're in our seats. They're not like above us, but we can see most of the field. And also they're under cover. So if it does happen to rain again, we will not be getting wet, which is nice. Here's the view. As you can see, we won't see corner kicks down that end, but otherwise we can see pretty much everything. Even though it's a little impeded. It's not terrible. But also, this is what happens when I buy tickets half asleep in the middle of the night. But we bought them as soon as we could, as soon as they were open to the public. I'm just excited to be here. They won! We booked it to the train after the game, so no footage of that. We're heading to the same restaurant to eat again. Pizza again for dinner, because why not? I couldn't finish my pizza, so I'm bringing it back to the hotel, because the breakfast leaves a bit to be desired. But I'm so tired. I'm chilly, I'm full, and I just want to go to bed. And we're doing Pompeii and Mount Vesuvius tomorrow, so we've got to be up early to get a train down there. So just very busy trip we planned. I'm glad we had this day to kind of just rest. I would have loved to have seen more of Naples, but honestly, I needed the rest. And it was monsooning, and I was not going to be walking around in the rain. And bless you.